Alright guys, we're at the apartment complex of all the air conditioner, the ones I filmed that last time. I'm gonna do it again, that's it. And over here we have a Goodman. It's got a Bristol 2013, that is 1.5, 13 SEER. And actually we got a Goodman with a rotary. That's a 13 SEER 2009, that is a 2-ton, not been running. And over here we have quite a these units around here. It's a RESCS. It's got Tecumseh from 1994, and actually got a Copeland RECIP. It's also a 1999, and this one is from, I think you see the data over here. And this appears to be a Copeland RECIP. There's the skids over there. We got Copeland reciprocating, RECIP, and one is running. And not more enough area. Here's Ducanes. It's got a Copeland reciprocating. Not been running. This is also a, I think, 2007. This one's not been running. And over here, we got a bunch of more units here. 1994. Here's the same. Train XR choices were from 14 SEER. And we also got an ICP, the one I catched up the start of last time in April. Has an Emerson Copeland scroll. And this one, I don't think it's not been running. From 2024, that's just 2-ton. Take these pictures of these units here. Alright, and we got another RESCS and a Goodman. This one's Tecumseh RECIP 1994. We actually got a Goodman with a Copeland reciprocating Copeland RECIP. And from 2009. And this is a 13 SEER. Got a Copeland RECIP. You can hear the nice sound. And here's the RESCS again. One of these grills are not in bad shape. 1994. Here's these two. I'm not gonna get to the data. I'm gonna get to this a little bit. Train XR. It's got a, I think, Alliance scroll. I don't see the data. Oh, there it is. It's from 23. That's a 1/2. Appears to be the same. RESCS Tecumseh 1994. It appears to be the same. Over here we got this Goodman with a Copeland RECIP. This one 2009. That is a 2-ton. Is 13 SEER. Seems to be faded. Here we got these ones, and got a Bristol. Nice sounding Bristols. Up here, here's the Train XR again. It's a Alliance scroll. Not been running. Good. Over there. We'll check a little bit. Got a Bristol. 2011. Oh, that one just shut off. So yeah, you can see here, got a Bristol. And yeah, that's pretty much just the video. Here's another one. It's also got a Bristol. Here's Goodman with the Copeland. It's got a Copeland RECIP. and it seems to be 2009, not an 8. And yeah, these all the units. I didn't take a look at the Ducane yet. So yeah, it's got a Copeland RECIP, Copeland Ducanes, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. Yep. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video and post this on YouTube because of pain. Over and out.